Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change DNS on IONOS using the latest technical management interface. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to point their studio-level domains to external hosting or high-end third-party services while maintaining the latest security standards. Let's get into it. First, access the high-end domain and SSL hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional domain environment. You need to enter the central technical dashboard where IONOS manages your latest internet addresses. Log into your IONOS account using your customer ID and navigate to the Domains and SSL tile on the main dashboard. Locate the specific domain you want to modify from your high-end list. In the latest standards, this hub is the professional gateway to all technicality within your DNS zone. Navigating here, Technicality prepares your workspace for high-end record adjustments that automate your latest web routing. Next, execute high-end record modification logistics. Now you need to bridge the gap between your IONOS domain and your latest professional hosting by technicality updating the individual DNS records. To change a record, like an A record, click the gear icon next to the specific entry and select Edit Record. Enter your high-end IP address or host name provided by your latest service provider. This step is a mechanical necessity for precise latest digital delivery. It technicality maps your studio identity to the correct high-end destination, ensuring your professional output is accessible across the latest global network. And that's pretty much it. To change DNS in the latest version, go to Domains and SSL, Technicality select your domain, and open the DNS settings. Edit or add records like A or C name with your high-end values, or switch to custom name servers for external management. Finally, save your changes and verify propagation to ensure your professional studio is technicality perfect. This professional workflow ensures your domain is optimized for the latest market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.